So like play now. Nigerians don't off city boy movement light. It's a natural death. Nobody they hear anything like city boy. City boy now come be within the city boy. You know, city boy no even fit travel go city. Nobody hears anything about city boy again. You see, he says he take whoa. Nigerians now want test. You won't use Nigerians they play. Eh? People they hungry. Can't they say city boy? Can't they show car? Won't show them off. Now Nigerians say Chiefpriest, bet me, bet me. Cubana Chiefpriest go say which kind of wahala be this? Why is this going like this? I never knew that I would put so much effort. The only reason why Cubana Chiefpriest actually joined that city boy, the only reason was because he thought within him that is a walkover for President Tinubu. Yes. He thought he was just walkover, saying nothing anybody can do again. Say, say Tinubu is unchallenged. Say voice no go come up. Now the only reason we make him begin join that city boy, begin they talk things. If you watch his utterances, listen to his utterances, you go see him say, na person where they talk with pride, want to say, he did not join city boy based on say he want to work for President Tinubu to win. No, he joined because he thought he's a winning team. Yes. Ain't he say now winning to say nothing when anybody fit do again. Now walk over. You know, no say Nigerians they like this, they talk say, Chiefpriest, if you do finish here, come this side. You go join city boy, but you go walk tired. Now, Nigerians don't give Cubana Chiefpriest the kind job, advertising job, where they more tedious than wine way in the advert. The kind difficult way he did for Cubana Chiefpriest now to market this city boy thing. And you never see him this hard with any drink way in the market. Inside house now, you go say, if I know now for just good, sit down on my own. Find one bitters the market. Bitters go sell market past this one. Now he said, now he go ask himself, waiting be city boys, I'm from city. You go join city boy, but you see that marketing, that waka where you say no waka, you go waka, you go convince Nigerians tire, you go convince them tire, you no go see road. You want convince Nigerians to vote poverty, to vote people who put them in penury again. You don't get anything to use campaign for the person. Now say, relax. He's fixing it. You go market tire. Mamma mia.
Yes. Mama, one bossa for mama. Bossa. Eyo. Now mama be so, I don't get another one. Now mama be so. Now mama be so. It's okay, who doesn't have? Yeah, thunder go fire the driver. You go get accident guy, which hope. Your mind open the jump as you dey drive this motor, the dog will punish you. Who go kill your mama? As you no go reach where you will never reach your destination. Thunder fire you there. Say na woman video dey hit your face, the driver. Thunder fire your mama, Ogu go kill you. You no go reach that destination where they go. Thunder fire you, say na hope, which hope? Ogu kill you. Very stupid. Thunder fire you guy. You no go reach where they go. Ogu kill your mama. Don't worry, see am, see face. You never reach, you go dey this hold up. You never near to hook for this hold up. Thunder fire you. Na me Zele dey talk am. Ogu kill you. You never reach hook for this hold up. God go punish you. You no reach your destination.
Coast na water, and I hope say una dey feel am. You know, I'm so excited to be doing this. This is one of the best things I've ever done with my life and my time. For over 1 month, we've been planning for today and tomorrow, and we've planned so well. They told you that Southeast is not safe, but I can urge you to enjoy Owerri to the fullest. It's beautiful. We have everything amazing here. We have an amazing governor who has used every opportunity he has in Abuja to make Imo look like Abuja. Barrister Sheyi, my very good friend, my in-law, my brother. You know, most of you don't know that Sheyi is marrying an Igbo girl. They will not tell you that because they want to take him away from us. But we have taken our brother back completely. Because this is a guy who has always made us understand that we are one, regardless of where we come from. And today he has proved it. Tomorrow he will still do it again. We love you, Sheyi Tinubu. And what we have shown you today in abundance is nothing but love. And that is what we expect in return. We're just looking for a fair share. You know, ndị Igbo anyị wụ ndị meriri n'agha, ọ dịkwana n'agha isi. Mana anyị chọsiri iji uche nweta ihe anyị na-achọ. Obi Cubana nọ ebe a. He was here in Imo a couple of years ago with an amazing business. And that is what brought me to limelight. That is what made me big. And that is what's up with partnership. And that is what we have chosen to do with City Boy Movement. We have decided to partner with the government in the center. We are not ready to fight. We've tried fighting and it didn't work for us. The best we can do is partnership. We have shown you love, ST, and I know you're going to reply in 1,000-fold. In my life, you have made a very bold statement by taking me to the villa to meet your father, the president of this country. See, as my enemies see that picture, they run away. He did it out of love because at the past election, I did not support Ashwaju. I had to be an Igbo boy. I had to do some careless mistakes. But they say first fool, no be fool. And second fool, be proper. Politics